How to change keyboard shortcuts in Photopea. Hi guys, welcome once again. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change keyboard shortcuts in Photopea. How do you do this? The first step is to log in into your Photopea account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page entirely or immediately where you can see options such as the new project option. Look for computer template etc. So just select whichever one that suits you, and once you've selected the template you want to use, or you click on create to start the project from the start. And then once you are on this page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see a list of options. All right, such as the mouse, the let's select the different icons, and then by the right side of the screen as well, you see another section displaying a list of options as well, such as um, the layers tab, the channel tab, the path tab. All of this will contribute to how you can design these projects to suit your taste. So once you've seen this, the next step is to locate where the keyboard shortcuts are. And that is by moving to the top part of the screen. By the top part of the screen, you see a menu displaying file, edit, image, layer, select filter, view, window, and then more. Just click on more, and always click on more. A box will be displayed. In the box displayed, click on keyboard shortcut. Then always click on keyboard shortcut. You would see all of the keyboard shortcuts available, right? So many. There is no function on Photopea that does not have a keyboard shortcut. So you can just come over here to learn as many keyboard shortcuts as you want. So you wouldn't have to keep on using the cursor, that is your mouse, to carry out things on um on Photopea. Now, as you can see on this page, there is no option for you to change the keyboard shortcut right here. That is because the Photopea software or application is an application whereby everything has been available. So you cannot change the keyboard shortcuts on your own. You just have to master the shortcut and then use them appropriately. So that is it. This is how you can walk your way around the keyboard shortcut on Photopea. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.